Situation is unprecedented at Delhi's borders, where farmers continue their protest, and to up the ante against the centre, farmer leaders have announced a chakka jam or a traffic jam on February 6th. That will be from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. against the arrest of innocent protesters, according to them. Also, the fact that internet services have been suspended at the protest site and the sealing off of roads. And with the protest entering day 69, the presence of farmers is only increasing by the day at Ghazipur border. And in view of that, security has been scaled up exponentially. Police are now camping at the site. It's not just the main highway, but also the service lanes that have been completely closed down. Emergency services even are not allowed on these roads. Concrete barricades, as you see on your screens, have been put up there. Barbed wire fencing has also been erected. You also have along the road iron nails that have been put in to ensure vehicles also cannot move. 2 army cranes have also been called to Ghazipur border. Similar security measures can be seen at the Singhu border. Iron rods between 2 rows of cement barriers have been placed to restrict the movement of protesters. These measures are coupled with a blanket internet ban prevailing at these protest sites. You've also got a lot of politics playing out. Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut will be meeting with the protesting farmers at Ghazipur border. That's at 1 p.m. today.
पूरी जो एम्बुलेंस लाइन है ऊपर की, जिसमें कुछ 2 महीने से पूरा एम्बुलेंस चलती थी, जो उत्तराखंड की लाइफ लाइन थी मेडिकल की, उसको बंद करा दिल्ली पुलिस ने। वहां पे इस तरह के जो कटीले तार हैं ये लगाए, और 3 रोड को, जिस रोड को हमने छोड़ रखा है, उन सारी की सारी रोड पे कटीले तार लगा के आने जाने का जनता का रास्ता रोकने का काम कर जा रहा। पूरे रास्ते को ब्लॉक कर दिया है, जिससे जनता दुखी हो और जनता हमको कहे कि आप हमको दुखी कर रहे हो।
Let me take this across to Aishwarya Paliwal. She's joining us live from the Ghazipur border in Delhi. Aishwarya, just tell us what's happening around you. The kind of barricading that we're seeing is unprecedented. Is that stopping more farmers from joining the agitation now?
Well, definitely it is not stopping more farmers from joining in the agitation. I'll ask Nasir to show you the kind of barricading which has been put up. Very heavy police deployment here at the Ghazipur border. This was the area which used, these are the lanes from where people from the national capital, from Delhi, used to go to Ghaziabad. And down, some of the images which you can see are from that service lane. A lot of barricading has been put up. Barbed wires, in fact, have been put up. The farmers are on the other side of it. We are standing on this side. There is very heavy police deployment. From what we are understanding at the moment, the deployment has been done because the police does not want a repeat of what happened on the 26th of January. They do not want farmers to be moving into the national capital, which is why now we see. However, there are water tankers kept here. The police is saying they have not cut any kind of electricity. Water is still being supplied. But yes, the idea is to make sure no one moves out from Ghazipur. It has been barricaded from all the ends.
So the police say that this is for security reasons. The farmers, however, are objecting to this kind of scaling up of security measures and the blocking of that entire road. We're not just talking about the highways, service road also completely closed. So you can only imagine how people who travel and commute on these roads are inconvenienced. Aishwarya, thank you for joining us with those details. So it is in light of what happened on Republic Day that the Delhi police is all geared up to deal with any sort of similar situation or breakdown of law and order. Security has been beefed up at all the protest sites.